So, my dear students, you can see on my screen, that is, if I can, then why not you? That is the 10 rules that help me to succeed. This is not written by me, right? It is written by CA students. But finally, now in November 2020 examinations, he is a chartered accountant. So what the 10 rules that he is written, but before sharing such rules, I will share the how he succeed in these examinations and what the story behind this. So let's see. He is written, if I did, you all can easily do it. CPT cleared in second attempt, IPCC cleared in third attempt, finals took 8 attempts. So my dear students, if you are worried about the result, if you are worried about the CA Inter or Foundation's results, then please follow this strategy. What the strategy? So I am sharing, just keep it on. I was headstrong from my school. His written is, I was headstrong from my school days to become a chartered accountant. My cousin brother was my inspiration for this, as he was first CA in my family. Been through family problems, personal problems, lost my aspirations for life, had to see my father going through severe health problems. But my mom was always there for me to pick me up and motivated me to never give up on life. I have always been close to my maternal grandma, mom and elder sister. In March 2019, lost my maternal grandma, difficult to accept her loss. Moreover, it was difficult to see mom being broken inside due to this loss. In May 2019, cleared Group 1. November 2019, Group 2 failed with 3 marks short. In May 2020, the most tragic phase of my life, lost my mom due to heart attack. She left me so suddenly. November 2020, had to do it for my mom and dad. In February 2021, he cleared Group 2, but absence of my mom and grandma has left no happiness within me. I know they both are happy and cheering for me from the heaven, right? And my message to all those are facing difficulties in life while giving exams. So in this time, he is sharing the rules, that is 10 rules to which is help to succeed all of you. So first rule is believe in yourself and have patience. Second rule is do it for your mom and dad. Third rule is hustle up so that your parents can witness your success in front of your eyes and you can see the happiness in their eyes for use. Always value the times. Fifth is take care of yourself, be selfish for your health, but do make other happy. Sixth one is study from your heart. Don't cry about difficulties. This rigorous studies will shape you the strongest person for rest of your life. Seventh is appear for the exams with only aim to clear it and not just for sake of formalities. 8 is be kind to fellow students on the FinApp. You never know what people are going through behind. Ninth is set your victory lab goals. This will surely motivate you to study hard. And 10th is try to mentor juniors and always be in touch with your senior.